fine. I haven't lived here in a while, so I have to ask you something. Does Monica still turn the lights on in her bedroom? Yeah. I am so dead.
I don't think I want to do that.
Then you're forcing me to turn you in for what you did 12 years ago.
No way. You're not going to do that.
So, have you met Stephen Huntley yet?
I did.
What'd you think?
Turns out we have some things in common.
Turns out he didn't show up empty-handed.
That's $500,000.
Oh, he's in there right now? Uh-huh. Now you can turn around, or you can go in there and rip the Band-Aid off. What do you want to do? Let's rip. Really? Are you sure? Oh.
In English phrasal verbs, we will learn the verb, turn in. It means 1. To give someone or something to the police or someone of authority. Examples: the man tried to turn himself in for a crime he didn't commit. Jill found a bag full of money and debated whether or not to turn it in to the police. 2. To go to bed. Examples: you should turn in early if you want to start cooking Thanksgiving dinner at 4 in the morning. Well, I'm turning in. Good night. 3. To submit something. Now, let's see how turn in is used in real life.
I did.
What'd you think?
Turns out we have some things in common.
Turns out he didn't show up empty-handed.
And turn the AC down while you're in there, too.
I think you should drag him out of his car, and we all get turns punching him in the stomach until he barfs.
Honey, I think I'm just going to turn over his license plate to the police.
Turned on itself and in us.
Now you can turn around, or you can go in there and rip the Band-Aid off. What do you want to do?
It turned out to be legal in Oklahoma.
Okay, new subject.
Manhattan. And turns out 2 days ago, he also called in the U.S. Marshals.
Protective custody.
20 men strong.
Timeshare time machine. I'm in.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.